যদি আপনারা ইংরাজি খুব ভালোভাবে শিখতে চান এবং ইংরাজি ভাষাটিকে বুঝতে চান, তাহলে আপনাদের ইংরাজি বাক্য সম্পর্কে সম্পূর্ণ ধারণা থাকা অতি প্রয়োজনীয়। আপনারা যদি এই ভিডিওটি শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখেন, আমি আপনাদেরকে কথা দিচ্ছি আপনারা ইংরাজি বাক্য সম্পর্কে অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারবেন। প্রতিটা প্রশ্নের জন্য আপনারা 10 সেকেন্ড করে সময় পাবেন এবং এই 10 সেকেন্ড সময় আপনাদের উত্তর আপনারা কমেন্টে লিখবেন এবং ভিডিওর শেষে আপনাদের জন্য আছে 3টি খুবই মজাদার প্রশ্ন। সেই প্রশ্নের উত্তর আপনারা কমেন্টে লিখে অবশ্যই জানাবেন। তো চলুন ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। What does the word gigantic means? Small, fast, huge. The correct answer is huge. The cat is very dash and loves to play. Energetic, lazy, shy. The correct answer is energetic. Which word means to eat, drink, chew, devour? The correct answer is devour. What is synonym of benevolent? Hostile, kind, careful. The correct answer is kind. The puppy was so dash that everyone wanted to play with the puppy. Playful, dull, tired. The correct answer is playful. The teacher was very dash with her explanation. Confused, clear, rude. The correct answer is clear. Which word means to improve, enhance, decline, ignore? The correct answer is enhance. The sun began to dash as it is set behind the mountains. Bright, rise, fade. The correct answer is fade. The chef prepared a delicious dash for dinner. Meal, mess, disaster. The correct answer is meal. During the storm, the wind was so gentle, strong, calm. The correct answer is strong. His dash attitude inspired everyone. Negative, lazy, positive. The correct answer is positive. After a long day, she enjoyed a dash cup of tea. Warm, bitter, cold. The correct answer is warm. They decided to dash the meeting until everyone could attend. Postpone, cancel, ignore. The correct answer is postpone. The teacher encouraged her students to be dash and ask questions, indifferent, shy, curious. The correct answer is curious. The artist's work was dull, vibrant, plain. The correct answer is vibrant. He felt a sudden dash when he realized he had forgotten his keys. Panic, relief, joy. The correct answer is panic. The book was so dash that I could not put it down. Predictable, boring, captivating. The correct answer is captivating. The dash of the story left everyone in suspense. Climax, conclusion, beginning. The correct answer is climax. He tried to dash his fears by practicing regularly. Increase, ignore, decrease. The correct answer is decrease. Amit is dash than Rohan. Smarter, smart, smartest. The correct answer is smarter. I have no dash cash, more or much. He and dash did it. I or me. I am dash the train, in or on. Comment your answer.